Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we'll look at the borders, border radius, and shadows. Here we have the section that we created in the last tutorial. Let's add some borders to it. I'll change the color to blue. I can unlink the sides by selecting individual. This allows me to adjust the thickness of each side individually. For example, I can change the left and right borders without changing the top and bottom. Next, I'll change the border radius to 20. Right now, all the sides are linked. I can unlink the sides by clicking the unlink icon. Then I can change the radius of a single corner. Finally, I'll add a shadow to the container. However, the shadow is not very visible with the border, so I'll remove it. Now the shadow is more noticeable, especially along the bottom edge. And that's how you can quickly add borders, corner radius, and shadows to a container. These settings give you precise control over the shape and visual depth of a section.